Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2017 code? This code indicates that the intake manifold runner position sensor on bank 2 is not operating within the expected performance range, which can lead to incorrect airflow control and reduced engine efficiency. If this issue is ignored, it can affect acceleration, fuel economy, and overall engine performance. P2017 stands for Intake Manifold Runner Position Sensor, Switch Circuit Range, Performance, Bank 2. In simple terms, the ECU has detected that the runner position sensor on the second cylinder bank is giving inaccurate or inconsistent readings. This sensor plays a critical role in monitoring the position of the intake runner flaps, which regulate airflow into the engine for better combustion and performance. Common symptoms include check engine light on, rough idle, poor throttle response, reduced engine power, and decreased fuel efficiency. In some cases, the engine may feel unstable during acceleration due to incorrect airflow adjustments. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The intake manifold runner position sensor for bank 2 is mounted on the intake manifold actuator assembly near the bank to cylinder head. The actuator controls the internal runner flaps inside the intake manifold, while the position sensor monitors flap movement and sends real-time data to the ECU. The wiring harness connects the sensor and actuator directly to the ECU through the engine bay and is exposed to engine heat, oil vapors, and constant vibration, which can lead to wiring wear or connector damage over time. For quick diagnosis, start by scanning live data using an OBD2 scanner and compare commanded runner position with actual sensor feedback values. Then inspect the sensor wiring and connectors for corrosion, loose pins, or insulation damage. After that, check the actuator linkage and intake manifold for carbon buildup that may restrict flap movement and cause incorrect sensor readings. If the sensor values are out of range or inconsistent, replacing the runner position sensor is usually required. Finally, clear the fault code and perform a proper road test to confirm that the intake runner system is functioning correctly. Remember, the most common causes of P2017 are a faulty runner position sensor, carbon buildup inside the intake manifold, or damaged wiring on bank 2. Fixing the issue on time will restore accurate airflow control, improve engine response, and maintain fuel efficiency.